రాజ్యసభలో వాయిదాల పర్వం కొనసాగుతోంది. రైతుల ఆందోళనపై ఉదయం నుంచి వరుసగా రెండోసారి సభ వాయిదా పడింది. ఉదయం సభ ప్రారంభం కాగానే రైతు నిరసనలపై రచ్చ మొదలైంది. రైతుల ఆందోళనపై చర్చకు పట్టుబట్టారు విపక్ష నాయకులు. 0 క్వశ్చన్ అవర్లను అడ్డుకున్నారు. సభ నుంచి వాకౌట్ చేసిన విపక్షాలు తిరిగి మళ్లీ వచ్చి ఆందోళన చేశాయి. దీంతో ఫస్ట్ టైం సభను 10:30 వరకు వాయిదా వేశారు చైర్మన్ వెంకయ్య నాయుడు. ఆ తర్వాత సభ ప్రారంభమైన విపక్ష సభ్యుల్లో ఎలాంటి మార్పు లేదు. దీంతో సభను మరోసారి 11:30కు వాయిదా వేశారు వెంకయ్య.
Now we have question hour. Very important questions have been asked and replies of ministers are giving. Please, this is not fair. This is not fair. It is not going to help you. Neither help the country nor help you also. Please go to your seats. Please go to your seats. Question hour should not become a casualty. The entire country want the issues to be discussed. Yes, you discuss it tomorrow. आप सेपरेट मान के बोलिए. राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण में सेपरेटली किसान के बारे में आप बोलिए. प्लीज 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 ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड माय प्रेडिक्टमेंट. क्वेश्चन आवर हैज बीन एडमिटेड. क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड. मेंबर्स आर गिविंग रिप्लाई. हाउस इज गोइंग ऑन पीसफुली. प्लीज कोऑपरेट. ये अच्छा नहीं है. ये परंपरा भी नहीं है. अच्छा नहीं है. वॉकआउट करके फिर हाउस को डिस्टर्ब करना अच्छा नहीं है. प्लीज कृपया. You are all senior members. Please. 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 Okay. नहीं. क्वेश्चन नंबर कितने बजे? These notices given for 0 hour today, they will be carried forward. They will not lapse. These 0 hour notices will not lapse. They will be carried forward. Now, please, 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 nobody is allowed to speak now. Once the chair has given a decision, please accept that. And tomorrow you will get an opportunity, whatever you want to say, highlight the issues, farmer community. Yeah. Sukendra Sekharaji, you want to add something? Please, Bait Jay. Bait Jay.
That this house could not discuss the farmers' bills when it came up before this house. But now we are not on that. Everybody wants that is a matter of national importance. Even government is also holding discussions. But the house is not aware of what is going on in between the government and the Kisan organizations.
Right.
That is why this house should discuss
right.
at length the matter of national importance because it is concerning the Annadata of the country.
Right, I understand. Yeah,
So,
I understand what you are saying.
So many political parties have given notice.
I have myself mentioned the names of the people
address,
also.
sir, in presidential address, there are so many issues.
Please.
There are
Please.
so many issues.
Who?
But we want a discussion on a specific.
Your leader's name has been mentioned now, that means all included. Upendra ji. Adabaran Karim.
I respect your words, but one thing, in the border, hundreds and thousands of farmers and their families, including children, are there. Water supply and electricity is disconnected. It is an inhuman activity. You please
Right.
ask them to resume that electricity and water supply there and conduct a discussion.
I got
with the
your
farmers.
point. So, Shiva?
Sir, we abide by your decision, sir, but at the same time, the issue is very serious. For more than 2 months, sir, in bitter cold, women and children and old age.
This has been said, Shiva.
Sir,
Manoj Jha.
Sir, hundreds
Wait,
of died, sir, and we have to discuss it separately.
Please. We will discuss it. There is no problem. Tomorrow.
Just
President address mentions farmers'
thank you, sir.
laws. So we need to discuss it.
शुक्रिया सर.
Manoj Jha, please.
जी सर.
Don't shout.
शुक्रिया सभापति महोदय.
Whoever shouts more with a louder voice, they will not get an opportunity.
सर सिर्फ मैं 30 सेकंड लूंगा. मैं माननीय सभापति जी आपके माध्यम से कहना चाहता हूं कि संसद प्रतिनिधियों का केंद्र है. अगर संसद जन सरोकार के मुद्दों पर जहां एक तरफ सर्द पूस की रातों में लोग परेशान हो रहे, संसद कम से कम चर्चा करे.
Right.
इतनी गुजारिश.
Vinay Viswam, where are you, Vinay?
రాజ్యసభలో విపక్షాల తీరుపై అసహనం వ్యక్తం చేశారు పార్లమెంటరీ వ్యవహారాల మంత్రి ప్రహ్లాద్ జోషి. అపోజిషన్ తీరు చూస్తుంటే సభను అడ్డుకోవటానికే వచ్చినట్టుందన్నారు. రైతుల ఆందోళనపై రేపు చర్చిద్దామని చెప్పినా సభను అడ్డుకోవటం పద్ధతి కాదన్నారు.
members are interested in question hours and disturbing like this, whether they want question hour or not, let them place it on record. And from tomorrow, there will be discussion on Rashtrapati's Thanksgiving motion. Even Rashtrapati ji has mentioned about the farmers.
I understand your concern.
10-hour discussion is there. They don't want to run the house. They don't want. They want to disturb. This is not fair. And 0 hour also they are not participating. Question hour also they are not participating.
Okay,
it is
Mantri.
highly unfair. It is injustice.
I once again appeal to